Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a very delicious special pastry. Now, testing time. Everyone will love it. Tasting time. If you like my recipe, I would be very happy if you liked the video and commented. Thanks for watching.